Hello, this is Nathan Crutchfield of Crutchfield Consulting, LLC. I'm going to talk briefly about the 4 phases of a job hazard analysis process. Phase 1 is where we get into the development of a toolkit for identifying workplace hazards and associated risk. This would include the forms that you may be using for inspections, getting personnel involved, accident investigations, trend analysis, as well as how you intend to devise control mechanisms when you identify hazards that are out in your workplace. Phase 2 is where we get into developing systems that support the hazard and risk recognition system. This would include your knowledge of human behavior and human interactions, your management systems, gaining employee participation, and having an understanding of what risk is, that exposure and severity matrix that would tell you where to put your priorities. Last but not least, you would be designing training criteria for your efforts. Phase 3, we get into developing the actual job hazard analysis. These would be completed in priority based on worst first. Where are you seeing the most loss? Where do you see the most potential for severity and injury or damage? And then phase 4, we get into the actual refining of the entire process. If you're involved in Six Sigma or make use of FMEAs, have a quality management program, have problem-solving methods that you like, or any of the other concepts that might be out there for process improvement, you would bring those to bear into your job hazard analysis process. Thanks for listening. This is Nathan Crutchfield of Crutchfield Consulting.